Hello students, today we will learn derivative of implicit function. If the variable y can be expressed as a function of the variable x, then it is y is equal to f of x, where the function f of x is called as an explicit function of x. For example, f of x is equal to x square plus x to the power minus 3, or y is equal to log x plus y. Means here in this type of function, all x terms are given to the right hand side and the function is expressed in terms of y. Whereas implicit function, here if it is not possible to express y as a function of x or x as a function of y, then the function is called as an implicit function. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, or x raised to m plus y raised to n is equal to x plus y raised to m plus n. Now here both the variables are present to the left hand side, or the function is not expressed either in terms of x or in terms of y. They are expressed by using both the variables x and y. So this type of functions are called as implicit function. Now find dy by dx if, first question, root x plus root y is equal to root a. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x plus derivative of root y is 1 upon 2 root y, but we are differentiating with respect to x and here variable y is present. So again derivative of that y we will write here as dy by dx is equal to, now here root of a is constant, so derivative of that term is 0. Now since we want only dy by dx, so we will keep dy by dx terms to left hand side and remaining terms to right hand side. So here to the right hand side we will get minus 1 upon 2 root x. Now if we shift this denominator term to right hand side, that we will write in numerator. So dy by dx is equal to minus of 2 into root y upon 2 into root x. So 2 gets cancel, we will get minus root y upon root x. Now both the terms are in the root, so we can write common root for them. So dy by dx is equal to minus of root of y upon x. Now we consider the next question, question number 2. X cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. Now differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x cube, that is by using the formula of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So derivative is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 3y square, and since we are differentiating with respect to x, so here we will write dy by dx plus 4 constant as it is into bracket we will write the differentiation of this term x cube into y. So that is by using the formula u into v rule, we will get u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. That means x cube into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x cube, and that is equal to 0. In next step, these two terms will be as it is, this 4 will be as it is, and inside the bracket x cube into derivative of y as it is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now we will open this bracket by multiplying each term by 4 and keeping the remaining terms as it is. So here we will get 4x cube into dy by dx plus 4 into this 3 means 12 x square into y is equal to 0. Now since we require answer for dy by dx, we will keep only dy by dx terms to left hand side and remaining terms to right hand side. So here to the right hand side we will get minus 3x square minus 12x square y, and here 2 dy by dx terms are present. So we will take dy by dx common in bracket 4x cube plus 3y square. Now shifting this bracket term to right hand side, we will write that term in the denominator. So we will get dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 12x square y upon 4x cube plus 3y square. Now here either we can keep our answer like this, or we can take minus 3x square common from numerator. So in bracket we will get the remaining term as 1 plus 4y. Here since we have taken minus sign common, in bracket we will get plus, and upon denominator term as it is. So that is the answer. Now third question, x into y is equal to log of x into y. Now this is also implicit function. So differentiating with respect to x. Obviously to the left hand side we will apply the formula of u into v. So x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is equal to, here composite function is present. So that is, we will consider this xy as only x, and we know derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log of xy will be 1 upon xy, and the term to which we consider as x, again derivative of that term, that is 1 upon xy into derivative of xy. Now in next step, x into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x is 1 is equal to 1 upon xy. Here again we need to apply u into v rule. So whichever the derivative we find here for xy, same we will write here. So x into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx of x. So LHS as it is equal to 1 upon xy. Again x derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x is 1. So now further simplification, x into dy by dx plus y as it is, multiplying the bracket terms by this 1 upon xy, we will get x upon xy into dy by dx plus y upon xy. X gets cancelled and y gets cancelled. We will get this term. And as we know, we require the value for dy by dx, shifting this dy by dx term to LHS and this without dy by dx term to right hand side. Now taking dy by dx common, we will get x minus 1 upon y, and to this side we will get 1 upon x minus y. Now here by doing cross multiplication we will get xy minus 1 upon y. Here also by doing cross multiplication we will get 1 minus xy upon x. Now since we require only dy by dx, this y we will write here to this side in the numerator, and xy minus 1 we will write in the denominator. Now if we observe these terms carefully, then we can cancel these two terms, but by taking minus sign common we will get xy minus 1. So same type of term we will get, and then only we can cancel. So taking minus sign common and cancelling these two terms, answer will be minus y upon x. Now next question, y into e raised to x plus x into e raised to y is equal to 1. Now at both the places we are going to apply u into v rule. So differentiating with respect to x, here we will get y into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of y plus x into derivative of e raised to y plus e raised to y into derivative of x is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Now we open the bracket, y as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus x as it is, derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, and since we are differentiating with respect to x, we will write dy by dx, plus e raised to y into 1. Now we will write all dy by dx terms to LHS and remaining terms to RHS. Then taking dy by dx common, in bracket we will get this term, and shifting this term to right hand side means that we will write in the denominator. So this will be the value for dy by dx. Thank you, students.